Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dee, and as promised from my previous video, I'm coming in to let you guys know how I've been rocking my mini twists. I think as of right now, I've had them in 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks, and to be honest guys, I really just did not think that I was going to end up putting this video up. And if you have been living under a rock and just do not know that there are a lot of injustices that are happening right now within the Black community, and I say right now, but it's not right now because we all know that this has been happening for years. It's just that now, you know, individuals have that light on them, people are recording them, they are being caught in the act, and it's just kind of hard to get out of these situations like they have been accustomed to. So to be honest, I've been very wrapped up in the movement. I've been doing a lot of posting on my actual personal Instagram page, and that's what I've been about. I've been doing a lot of researching. I, for one, will be completely honest and say that I don't have all the facts. I don't have all the knowledge. I don't know about, you know, everything. If I was to have a conversation with someone, the one thing that I can say is I know that it's not right. I know that we're all upset and angry for, so there's just a lot going on right now. And to be honest, the last thing that I really felt like doing was recording a hair video. Just thinking about mental health and mental wellness is very important to me, and I just know that in order to combat the things that can happen with your mental health, you have to take a break from it. You have to, you know, you can't step away completely, but you have to take a break. You still have to have other things that you can do to kind of take a step back just for your mental health capacity. So I just said today, let me go ahead. I know I'm about to get ready to take these mini twists out soon, and I thought, you know what, people may not even care if I do a video on the different way that I've been wearing these mini twists, but then for the very few that may be interested, I did say that I was going to do a video, so here I am. So I'm just going to show you guys a few styles that I've been doing with my hair. As mentioned before in the previous video, I am a 4C and I do have very fine hair, so it's not very thick. And like I said, at this point, this has been about 2 to 3 weeks, and this is what it looks like now. So it still didn't really get very big like how I originally thought it was, but again, I do like it, and I will be doing this style again on my hair. And so I'll just turn around so you guys can see what it looks like in the back. So this is what it's been looking like. So I know I've been talking a lot, but I just really want to share my thoughts on everything and kind of let you guys know that we're all in the fight, and hopefully we can get some justice for Breonna Taylor. Hopefully the police officers in the other cases will not only be charged, but actually be convicted as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get in the video, and I'm going to go ahead and share these styles with you guys.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for Generations please and make and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
It is geared towards those of us that are in the 4C fine hair community. So I hope that you like this video. Some things to keep in mind if you have the type of hair that I have. Once you pull it up into any of those updos, keep in mind that if you leave it up there all day, a lot of the times when I take my hair down, it's kind of like still wanting to be stuck in this style. So you're going to have to kind of mist it and then stretch it out so it'll go back flat. So keep that in mind. Overall, I definitely said, like I said before, I love the mini twist style. I do plan to do it again sometime in the future. It did take me about I'd say no, it probably took me about 2 hours to do, but overall it's very easy to maintain. And as you can see, I've been wearing it numerous ways. I love my little headbands that I purchased from Amazon. The scarf that I wear, I also purchased it from Amazon. So I'll link those in the description box if you're interested in it. But if you have any other questions about how I've been rocking my hair, how I've been maintaining it, please just go ahead and make a comment in the comment and I'll get back to you. But if you are not subscribed and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I am going to try to be doing some, you know what, I'm not gonna say. So if you're interested in what I'm gonna be doing with my hair next, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you do not miss that video. And again, on this channel I do hair tutorials, lifestyle, as well as cleaning motivation videos. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video.